all these teams are generated and all these teams are heavily accurate teams.
Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between RCB versus CSK. So for generating the Grand League teams we are going to use our software which is called Team Generator software. So by using this software we can create the teams for both Grand League as well as small leagues as well. So let's analyze the probable playing 11 for the today's match between RCB versus Chennai Super Kings. So from the RCB side, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Shrikar Bharat, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Mohammad Azharuddin, Manindu Hasaranga, Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj and Yuzvendra Chahal will be the probable playing 11. And from the CSK side, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, MS Dhoni, Dwayne Bravo and Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar will be the probable playing 11. So one thing you should remember here is that, so for example, if you are going to consider all the 22 players for the generation of the teams in our software, so it is a very lengthy process for the software. For example, by using 22 players, the maximum possible combinations will be around 1 lakh. It is around 80,000. So whenever you are thinking of selecting all the 22 players, make sure that software have the combinations up to 1 lakh combination software have to filter. So whenever you want to win some good amount, you should be able to take some risk. So if you cannot take the risk, then software will have 1 lakh combinations, and when you try to create 20 teams, software will give the best combinations, but 1 lakh is a lot bigger number when compared to 20 teams. So that you should keep in your mind. That's why I highly recommend you to drop some players. If you cannot expect the good results without dropping the players, right? If you can drop the players, then you have the higher chances of winning good amount. Otherwise, then software have a lot of combinations. So without dropping players, for example, if you consider all the 22 players, you have the chances of getting the first rank, but those are all risky teams because you are considering 22 players for the creation of teams. That's why I highly recommend you to drop the players here. For example, MS Dhoni, when it comes to the fantasy, MS Dhoni, we can drop MS Dhoni. And also, for example, some of the players are also there. Ambati Rayudu is not in a good form as far as I know, and also some of the players are there, and Suresh Raina is also not in a good form. So you can also consider him for dropping, and Mohammad Azharuddin, and here you can drop Shrikar Bharat also you can drop, and some of the players are there you can drop. You have to take the risk to drop some players in order to get some very good results. Remember, for 22 players, software will have up to 1 lakh combinations in it. So when you try to create 20 teams out of 1 lakh combinations, software will definitely try its best to give the best combinations, but that is a very big number. Keep that in mind. And let's check the pitch details as well. So the pitch details will be a batting pitch, and it is a Sharjah pitch, so the pitch boundaries are very shorter than the other pitches, so the score will be high as expected. And so it is a batting friendly pitch and a short boundary, so we can expect some good runs. And when it comes to both the teams, RCB and CSK are equal teams basically, but you can favor any one team based on the toss. For example, RCB won the toss, then you can favor RCB because toss is also very important. So after that, so let's by using all the data that we have discussed, so let's go to our team generator software and create the Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our software.
So this is the interface of the software. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy, and I'm going to go with the Dream 11, and after that continue, and we need to choose the series. Here IPL is the series that we are going to create, and after that we have lot of options available here. So for example, if you have lot of knowledge on that particular match, then you should go with the advanced generation section. So if you have a lot of predictions, then go with the advanced generation section. Or if you don't want to think yourself, or if you don't want to stress out yourself, then go with all these 3 sections. Any of these sections is fine. So smart generation section is also fine. I'm going to go with this section because it is proven to be little more effective. So let's click on smart generation section. And those who don't know about the software, and I have provided you the contact details in the description box below, and you can message me. I will provide you the details as well. So let's click on choose series here, and the match is in between CSK versus RCB, and after that continue. And we need to enter the match number. You can give any match number because whatever the teams you create in this software, those teams will be stored. So we need the match number. You can give any match number, for example 10, 20, 100. We can give any number. For example, I'm going to give 15, and after that continue. So we need to choose at least 6 players from each team. So this is the place we need to be very careful, because whatever I said early in this video is that, so try to drop some players. If you able to predict some players that they are going to fail, then please go ahead, drop those players completely from that creation of teams. So if you don't want to drop, then you can go for all the 22 players, but you will get lot of combinations. Software will have up to 1 lakh combinations, and if you ask for 20 teams, it will definitely give the best out of those combinations, but it will be a little risky one. For getting the first rank we have the chance, but getting the winning zone, it might be little doubtful. But if you drop some players, for example if you drop some failing players, you will definitely get profit, and also if things went well, then you can also get first rank also. So try to drop players. That is what I want to say. First of all, for example MS Dhoni, I don't want to include in my playing 11 because in terms of fantasy, MS Dhoni is a very underrated player in terms of fantasy. So but you can go, if you have trust on MS Dhoni, you can go with the MS Dhoni, but I don't want to sell it right now and go with the Faf du Plessis and Suresh Raina also I want to drop. So that is completely, these are my predictions. These are the predictions and these are the players I am dropping. But right I am adding and Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, and Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar, and Dan Bravo. And I have selected 9 players from CSK, and from the RCB side I want to select AB de Villiers. Mohammad Azharuddin might play today. This is the probable playing 11. So if some players are missing after the toss, you can decide. So Srikar Bharat and Virat Kohli, Mohammad Azharuddin or Sachin Baby will be playing in the playing 11. So we cannot take chance. So let's go with the Mohammad Azharuddin. After the toss, you can decide as well. So let's click on Glenn Maxwell, Devdutt Padikkal, and so I want to. You can remove Hasaranga, I think. So you can remove Hasaranga or you can go with the Hasaranga. As of now, I am going to remove Hasaranga and Arshal Patel and Mohammad Siraj, Jamieson and Chahal. I have selected 10 players from RCB and 9 players from CSK. If you want to remove some players, you can take the chance. For example, Srikar Bharat I want to remove also, and Mohammad Azharuddin also I want to remove. So I have selected 17 players out of 22, and after that continue. And we need to check the pitch details. The pitch will be a batting pitch, so we need to click on batting, and strongest team will be, we don't know the strongest team, so we can go with the equal. And after that, if the toss is completed, you can go click on toss completed, or if toss is not completed, just go with the no option. And after that continue, and we need to give the number of teams you want. So I am going to give 20 as the number of teams. So I remember I only selected 17 out of 22. I have dropped 5 players from the 22 players, so I have a higher chance of winning good amount rather than selecting all the 22 players. So after that, generate teams. So you can see all the teams are generated, and you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are heavily accurate teams, and you will definitely win for sure. So trust the software and trust the process, you will definitely win one day Grand League. You will definitely win the Grand League one day. Please trust the process.